Hi. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm sure by this time my other video has gone up for our restock. My name is Tare. I have a growing business here in Ghana called Ladies and Scarves, and the core of my business is scarves. Okay, so in the previous video, I shared with you guys our new restock. A lot of items that came in this time around, from silk scarf to cashmere scarves to a whole lot. Yes, you can refer back to that video to see what I'm talking about. And also in that video, I promised that gradually I'll try as much as I can to show you guys the design that came in. So most especially this video is for people that are thinking of starting a scarf business and you just want to see the kind of scarves I sell before you start your own business. And the best place to see that is my business Instagram. I'll leave the handle so you go check it out, or you check out our website. But with Instagram, you get to see the videos and the content I create for my business. Okay. So this time around, I made a bulk purchase like I would usually do. And whenever I do bulk purchase, I buy from China, by the way. Whenever I do bulk purchase, I ship via sea. I mostly ship via sea anyways, except I'm buying maybe lesser than 100 pieces for a quick restock, or an order, like a particular order. Let's say someone wants an order for souvenirs, and then maybe they choose just one particular design of silk scarves, and then maybe they're 100 or 200, and they decide to go with express shipping. I can just bring that via air. However, I love to bring my items via sea so that I can make maximum profit instead of dashing my money to logistics companies. So if you're a new business owner and the business you're trying to go into is kind of heavy, or like the item itself is heavy, aside from jewelry, jewelry is lightweight. Even if you're bringing jewelries worth $1,000 or $2,000, it will just fit in a small box, so you can bring that by air. But if the items you're bringing in, you're shipping in, is heavy and you want to make maximum profit, I would advise you ship via sea. And also, as a business owner, or you're just starting out, this will teach you patience. However, the time you're using to wait, it takes about 3 months you're using to wait for this goods to arrive. You can be doing a whole lot of things in the planning phase, learn new skills, learn strategies that you implement when the items arrive. So I have been making little upgrades to my business, internal structuring first, physical structuring, also in terms of my content, how I plan to make my content better. I've been trying to upgrade, and yes, I was still selling while I was doing all of this internal and even external upgrades. But I shared all of this with you. Even my content space, I just recently upgraded it. So try and be doing all of these things before your goods come in. So let's get right into this video before I talk too much. So we have here Ladies and Scarves. One of our best sellers are our plain cashmere scarves. It is lightweight. Let me show you guys one. So this is like my personal one. So it is lightweight. We have a rack full of plain cashmere scarves. So it is lightweight and it's good for the Ghana weather. Our weather is not cold. It's mostly warm. It's like summertime all year round. I know, right? So it's a bestseller. So a lot of corporate ladies buy this. Maybe the office is too cold. They want to put it over their shoulder. If some of them work at the bank, they have a particular color they wear to the bank. They just buy maybe blue or pink, and when they're at their desk, they're always using the cashmere over their shoulders, or at church, or they just want to style it, right? So yes, plain cashmere is one of our best sellers. We also have the embroidered cashmere. This is a lot more heavier. Thank you. This is a lot more heavier. It's made of wool as to compared to the plain cashmere. The plain cashmere, I'll call it more of cotton, right? So this is made of wool. It is a whole lot more heavier. It comes in different colors. I'll leave some videos of the content I already made on my page on Instagram so you see. And it's very lovely as well. It's embroidered on the wool, so it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scarves. So if you're thinking of going into your scarf business and sometimes you don't know what to start with, what I always advise is start small, bring samples of everything. If you're living in South Africa, if you're living in Kenya, if you're living in anywhere in the Europe, start small, bring samples of everything from silk to the plain cashmere to the heavy ones like this. And also this one I'm wearing right now is a poncho. Thank you. This one I'm wearing right now is a poncho scarf, best for traveling. It is super stylish. Right now I just launched 3 of the collection on the website, but we have more than that. But as we're selling, we'll be unveiling the rest. But for now, I think I made just video for 3 of the colors. So the same design, but 3 on different colors. Let me show you guys another color. And I'll try and leave videos on the side. The blue one, okay, that's fine. I'll try and leave videos on the side so you see the content I created for selling my scarf. So this is another color in the poncho. Poncho is heavier than this one. So the poncho scarf is way heavier than the embroidered cashmere. So yeah, so if you're thinking of going into your scarf business, it is very, very advisable to know what you want to sell, know what is suitable for your geographical area. So now, with a poncho, I do not bring ponchos all time, like throughout the whole year. I start restocking on ponchos from maybe middle of the year till like towards the end of the year. So towards the end of the year, our ponchos are our best sellers from September, October, November, December. They are our best sellers. Like people are asking and asking for our poncho scarves. So yes, I restock ponchos from this time of the year downwards. Now it's raining in Accra, and even if you're doing local traveling, if you're on the plane, if you're doing international traveling, let's say I'm traveling to Senegal and I want to look cute while at the airport, I just throw this on and voila, I look beautiful and cozy. So yes, so it is heavy, but at the same time, not so heavy, but it is stylish, very, very stylish at the same time. So if you're someone that cares about style instead of just wearing sweaters, but you still want to keep warm, the poncho scarf is beautiful. And it's also a great gift for pastor's wife. If you know you have a friend that is coming to town and they'll be traveling soon, it's a good gift. Even it's a gift to yourself. It's actually a very beautiful gift. So also in our cashmere collection, the other type of cashmere we brought, I haven't made content on this one. I haven't even posted on the website. There's a strategy to selling, like I would always say. And also to those of you, can you help me with that? Thank you. So this is the double-sided cashmere. Yes, I was about to say something. Let me quickly say that before I lose the train of thought. So to those of you that want to start your scarf business, I'll be hosting a class again in August, just for 10 people. For now, honestly, I have just 2 people that has booked that ticket, left with 8. And once it's done, I honestly would close the ticket and that will be till next year, right? Because I pour my mind, I pour my heart, and I give you resources on how to start your scarf business and how to excel, right? So please, this is strictly for people that want to start your scarf business and you're ready. You have your capital ready, you have your money ready, you just need someone to guide you and hold your hands, from suppliers to shipping, all of these things I will teach you, and you'll be in a close group with me. And the teachings are virtually via video. We're seeing ourselves, we're interacting, and we build this bond as a scarf business owners. I think I'm clear on that. So another in the cashmere collection we have a lot of this design. The videos are not up yet. Like I say, there's strategies to selling and to launching these things. So this is just one. So it's called the double-sided cashmere. So you can either wear this side or this side. It's also a very big scarf. It is a big scarf. Let me show you guys how. Can you see it is a big scarf? Yeah, it's a big cashmere scarf as well. So thank you. So yeah. So if you're thinking of starting your scarf business, also we have a lot of silk scarf, which I won't be showing in this video. Like I said, you can go on our Instagram to see all of the content we have created so far for the silk collection we have on ground. So yeah. So if you join the class, basically from sizing to fabric to how the business works. I tell people all this. There's the principle to selling. Selling is not magic. If God has given you an idea, let's say he says, go and sell this thing, go and sell scarf. Tare starts selling scarves. He also expects you to gain knowledge on that field. When I started in the beginning phase, oh my goodness, I tried a lot of scarves. In the previous class that I held for these women around the world, I was showing them different scarves, different types. I was even showing them other business I have tried. And one of the ladies said, Tara, what haven't you sold before? And I said, I have sold a lot of things. Selling in itself has never been a problem for me. But you can't do too many things at the same time. So I decided to focus on ladies and scarves, make it the core of my stream of income right now. And it is doing great for me actually. So yeah, I just want to come update you guys. If you're here from the previous restock video, I just wanted to show you like in live and person some of the items that came in. I really love this poncho. I really do love it. We also have some beautiful handbags yet to be posted, content yet to be created for it. But if you watch the previous video, I'm sure you have a glimpse of what the handbags look like. Although I've not made like single post of what the handbag looks like. So I'll try and come on here again to show you guys. Maybe in another video, I'll put together the silk scarves and the handbags that we have in stock so that you can feed your eyes and so that you can see the quality of items that I sell here at Ladies and Scarves. Please, please, please kindly subscribe and keep your comments coming. I've not been seeing your comments in a while now. Yes, I don't know. So it's making me feel like, is my content now am I repeating myself? Are you guys tired of seeing my face? Are you guys tired of hearing from me? Yeah, so please keep your comments coming. I just feel like I say this all the time. If one person gets value from my video, then my job is done. So yeah. Thank you for watching till this very end. Do not forget to subscribe, share with friends, and I'll see you in my very next video. Bye, guys.